In 2008 in Beijing, we held the very first ARWAE workshop, and that stands for the Asia Region Workshop for Art Educators. At a time when there was really not anything like it, filling a need for visual arts educators to get together and talk about how they do work, how they experience their student life, how they interact with their environment, and bring that into the classroom. This year in 2018, we're at Hong Kong Academy in Sai Kung in Hong Kong. There's a lot of people that know about Hong Kong, one particular small piece of it, and it's been such a joy and a pleasure to be here in this district, because this is a view and a perspective that most of us have never had and now are really interested in exploring more. I'm not sure who said it first, but a few people have taken up the idea and the phrase that it's like coming back together with your tribe. You speak the same language, you can start at a different place in a conversation. Everybody you talk to has something to say about what you're interested in too. It's all volunteer. There aren't experts that come in from the outside, never having lived or worked in Asia, and then go away again. So we are teachers sharing with teachers our expertise. That's who we want to learn from and have the conversations with. So it's a place where we come to share, to be inspired, to be challenged by each other, make great connections. And Monday morning, everybody can walk into a classroom studio and take something away and do something with it. Every conversation can turn into an action that impacts student learning all across the region. Thanks, Hong Kong Academy, for a terrific weekend.